Flashlight. Okay guys, today I want to open it. It's too hard. It's too hard. It's too hard. It's too hard. I can't. Yay! I can. Wow. Here we go. And like this. What is this? What is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a little people from Fisher Price.
Here we go. Mommy, can you help?
Uh-oh. Win it?
Okay, I will take. Wait.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
I have the pink one and the orange one.
Okay. Okay. Cici.
This is the bag. Here.
Where's Anna? Hello, Anna. Hello, Anna. You look so cute. Hello, Elsa.
Olaf, oh, look at this, look at this. Snow.
Yeah.
This is
But the castle we can buy with Elsa and Olaf. This one, Olaf.
Okay. This is Anna and Christoph and the van. Anna can sit here, and Christoph too can sit here, and I can sit here, and here. What you want, Christoph and Anna? You want put in where that you want. This is how to the van. Anna can stay here. Okay, let's go to the ice.
Turn on. Little people. It's really cute. Hello, Anna. I wanna give Sven the carrot.